look what just got delivered. My new COSORI smart air fryer. Right now I'm going to unbox it and show it to you and look at the manual, and this is one time I'm going to read the instructions. Not that it's difficult, but that there's some recipes that I want to see what I'm going to make for the first time. And this is also controlled by an app on your phone, which I already downloaded the app while I waited for this to be delivered. It only took 2 days to be delivered. It's a VSync app. VSync it's called. See, VSync. It's for smart appliances and things in your home. And there's a list for COSORI in here. Device, add device. When we plug this in, we'll set that all up. But that's how you control it. There's like 100 recipes on here or more about that can be used with this. And you know we like a lot of COSORI stuff. We got a COSORI slow cooker up there, multi-cooker, rotisserie air frying oven over there, 2 or 3 pressure cookers. I have the COSORI 2-quart pressure cooker, plus we have a 6 and an 8 quart. So COSORI is a good brand. I'm just gonna get it out of the box. Live life tastefully. Wait. I know. It's upside down. Oh, look at this. Smart 5.8 quart air fryer. Smart controls through your phone with the VSync app, like I just said. Touchscreen display. 11 original presets. See? 100 recipe cookbook inside. That's why I'm just unboxing it today. Oh, 2-year warranty too. Look at that. Extended warranty. They're a good company with customer service, I know. Not that I ever needed any, but I hear people talk about them. Works with Google Play or Apple at the App Store. Let's open this. Nice box. It's like getting a new toy. It is a new toy. And we have one of these, COSORI air fryer. But this is the smart one. We gotta get the best, you know. Kind of upgrade. Ooh, French fries. More fun. Isn't that nice? Oh! Back very nicely. Ooh, it smells like a new car. Da-da-da. Where are you? Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Squeaky squeak. Oh, nice. Tape. Keep the cookbooks inside. It does smell good. Can you smell it over there? All right, there's one piece of cardboard in there for shipping purposes. Plastic, and we'll remove that. And this. Let's find that book. Here it is. Oh, a nice heavy book. Prepare your kitchen and your appetite. All right, I'm going to show you this quick, and we're going to study it. There's instructions, and look at all these recipes. Thank you. Quick start guide. So you could just scan that code, get the app, and let it learn your appliance. Let me put my glasses on for a second. Don't look at me like that.
Give me a good view of that book.
look at that. See what kind of recipes we got. Breakfasts, entrees, appetizers, homemade tortilla chips, pigs in a blanket, sausage stuffed mushroom, fried mozzarella bites, fried pickles, roasted garlic and herb chicken, barbecue chicken, chimichurri, flank steak, scones, chicken tenders, fish nuggets, mini pizzas, cheeseburger sliders, so many. Sides, desserts, cinnamon rolls, banana nut bread. Alright, and it tells you about their presets. See? Nice pictures. Alright, we're going to go through this and see what we want to make. But I just wanted to show you me unboxing it. And when we come back in about a minute, in less than a minute, when we come right back, it might be a day from now, but when we come right back in this video, we're going to show you what we're going to make. And remember, this is online recipes, which we're going to see in the app. All the presets, 11 of them. And the price of this is going to be reduced from $129.99 to $89.99 on Amazon Prime Day in July. So, check the link down there, but I'll remind you about that later. Alright, let's look at this book. Okay. Okay, so I did read the user manual, which sometimes I don't because I think I know everything. And remember, I said this is a smart air fryer, which you could use the apps on your phone. And I put the app on my phone, and I found out that I need a 2.4 gigahertz router, which I don't have. You know, most people have that because that's the most updated. But until I get a new router, I can't use the app on my phone. But I'll show you a clip from their website. Look how amazing this app is. Look what you can do with it.
Time to take your kitchen into the 21st century. Featuring 11 original presets, the COSORI Smart Air Fryer cooks meals faster than an oven and with up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods. Want to unlock your fryer's full potential? Download the VSync app to connect your smart fryer to your smartphone. With VSync, you can browse 100 online recipes personally created by our COSORI chefs, with new recipes added monthly to keep you inspired. Something catch your eye? Automatically input settings by selecting the recipe you want, or remotely make adjustments. Monitor the progress of your cooking through the app, or take a closer look. Save your favorite discoveries for future use, and make tweaks to old family recipes. You can even save pictures of the final result. Forgot what it was you made last? Check your cooking history to refresh your memory. Before you're done with one meal, you'll be planning your next. So go ahead, start planning today.
Isn't that amazing? We can use the air fryer just like any other great advanced air fryer with all these functions, presets and all that. And I was looking through the recipes. There's probably 100 recipes in here. And one caught my eye for today is grilled cheese. And I'm going to make it just how this book says. It's going to be great. Let me remind you again of all these functions up here. Take a close-up up here. Let me show you. Look at all these presets. We have steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, preheat. Over here we have frozen foods, French fries, vegetables, root vegetables, bread, which I'm going to use for my sandwich, and desserts. And we have preheat, I mentioned that, and keep warm. Okay, let's get to this recipe. It's going to be delicious. I can't wait. Alright, I'm going to prepare it right here. Remember, this is a great COSORI recipe book. It's amazing. I'm going to keep it forever. And there's a detailed recipe with a beautiful picture. There's so many in there. Look at that chicken there. But I'm going to make this. I like my grilled cheese brown and crunchy. Let me get the cheese and the bread ready. I'll show you. So the recipe calls for 1/2 a cup of sharp cheddar shredded cheese, which we just happen to have. And 4 slices of white bread I'm going to use. I'm going to butter both sides of that bread. It's pretty easy, and it's going to be good. Alright, I'm going to measure 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I never measured cheese for grilled cheese, but I'm going to do it how COSORI says. See that? A little over 1/2 cup. I don't mind. I'm going to butter both sides of 4 slices of bread. My butter's nice and soft back here, which I like it. Both sides, right? That's gonna be good. You gonna try this in your COSORI air fryer? There's so many other good recipes in there. I couldn't choose. And I'm so hungry for lunch today. I saw that picture of that grilled cheese. Oh, it looks so good. Alright. Easy so far, right? I guess if you didn't have shredded cheese, you could use whatever cheese you like. Alright, 4 slices. Alright, let me get a work plate here. 1 slice, 2 slice. I'm going to separate this in half, if I can, accurately. Ooh, yeah, we got enough cheese there. Somebody's cutting the grass out there. And we're going to put the lids on. We're going to open our beautiful new COSORI Smart Air Fryer. See, I took all the packing material out of there. Make sure you do that. This is the first time we're using this. Put these down side by side. I'll show you. See what they look like to start? Are you ready? Now if I had my app on my phone, I could do all this with the phone. And that app is so cool, like you saw in that clip, that you could put your own recipes in there and a picture of them. And it shows the history of what you cooked. And you can go back and cook it again. It's amazing. It's just so amazing. All right, we're gonna preheat this. I'm gonna press preheat, like the recipe says, at 320 degrees. Oops, for 3 minutes. And then we'll put our sandwiches in, okay? 3 minutes, right back. All right. All preheated, ready to go. We're gonna press bread, like the instructions say. 320 for 8 minutes. I can't wait till it's done. I might check it halfway through because I'm curious like that, you know? All right, I'm gonna take a peek halfway, like I said I would. All right, getting there. Smells delicious. The last 4 minutes are gonna be for browning. That's a good thing. You can stop it and it starts right where it left off. All right, less than a minute remaining. And I turned them over at about 3 minutes because I felt like it. Just to get them toasted up evenly. When I looked in there last time, it looked pretty good. My grilled cheese sandwich board. Remember, when I get my new router, I can't wait to connect. Oh, here we go. Okay. I can't wait to connect to the online recipes. There's so many of them in there, and so much you can do with the app. But you gotta have the correct router. Of course, I didn't read that because that's how I am. I'm gonna look at these. Oh! It's gonna be hot. Let's unplug this and move it back. Oh, oh, nice, beautiful. Smells so good. Hang on. Should I let them sit a little bit? Look at this cheese on the side. I love this. Whoa. What do you think? Let them sit or cut them? Cut them. They're a little hot. Listen to this. But I will wait a minute until I take a bite. Oh, look at that. Nice soft bread on the inside, nice crunchy, buttery on the outside. You want one, don't you? While they cool, let me remind you about this. This is the new COSORI Smart 5.8 air fryer. with all those functions and the VSync app that works on Google Play or the App Store for Apple. Smart control, touchscreen display, 100 recipe cookbook inside. That's what we used. 100 recipes here. And the smart app, which I couldn't use today, but I'm going to use in the future. So make sure you have a 2.4 gigahertz router. If not, buy it anyway, and because of the price, and use it like that, because the price right now is $129.99. But on Prime Day, I told you that before, Prime Day in July, the 12th and 13th of 2022, it's going to be $89.99, which is amazing for this. $89.99, and I got it here in 2 days. Think I could take a bite of that yet? I'm going to take a bite of it. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. It's so buttery. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. Sharp cheddar cheese. Mmm. Thank you, I need a napkin. You really gotta try this. Mm. That's about the best grilled cheese sandwich I ever had. Buttery and cheesy and crunchy. Thank you, COSORI. Check it out. I'll put a link down there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Happy Prime Day, everybody. See ya. You gonna have a piece? Hold on. Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, it's so good. Mmm.